Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make mini cake. We are going to make the layer cake first, and we're going to start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to slide the hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we're going to make a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next, we are going to make a single crochet. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. That is one single crochet. Since we need to make 8 single crochet, we're going to make 7 more. Once you have 8 single crochet, you can pull the yarn to close the ring, and we can continue to the second round. And for the second round, we are going to make increase, and for increase we have to make 2 single crochet on one stitch. So we're going to start with a single crochet first. Then still on the same stitch, we are going to make another single crochet. And that is an increase, 2 single crochet in one stitch. And for this round, we are going to make increase for every stitch. Continue to the next round. We're going to start the round with a single crochet. And then on the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. And that is the pattern, a single crochet and an increase. We're going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. For round 4, we are going to start with 2 single crochet. Then on the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. And that's the pattern for this round, 2 single crochet and an increase. We're going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. And that's the pattern for the layer cake. When you're done, you can cut the yarn, and we are going to make an invisible finish. And to make an invisible finish, we are going to grab our needle, and we're going to insert the yarn into the needle. And we are going to insert the needle into the second stitch from the last stitch. Then we're gonna go back into the last stitch, and we are going to insert the needle into the back loop of the last stitch. And there is an invisible finish. You can weave in the end. So we're basically done with the layer cake. We are going to make 4 pieces. Next we are going to make the cream part of the cake, and we're going to start with a magic ring and 6 single crochet. And then for the second round, we are going to make increase for every stitch. Continue to round 3. We are going to start the round with a single crochet. Continue with increase on the next stitch. And that's the pattern for this round. We're going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Moving on to round 4, we are going to make a bubble stitch, and to make a bubble stitch, we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the next stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the first and the second loops. So now there are 2 loops on the hook. We're going to repeat the step, so wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the first and the second loops. So now there are 3 loops on the hook. We're going to repeat the same step until we have 5 loops on the hook. And once you have 5 loops on the hook, you can yarn over and pull the yarn through all the loops. And that is a bubble stitch. We're going to continue with a chain, and we're going to skip the next stitch, and we're going to make a slip stitch on the next stitch. Also, just in case your bubble stitch is flat, you can try to push it out to make it more visible. Then, still on the same stitch where we made the slip stitch, we are going to make another bubble stitch. After that, we're going to continue with a chain. We're going to skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch on the next one. And we can just repeat the same step until we have reached the end of the round. And so we are done with the cream part of the cake. We can cut the yarn and weave in the end. And we are going to make 2 pieces. Next we're going to make the strawberry, and we're going to start with a magic ring and 6 single crochet. And then for the second round we are going to start with a single crochet. Continue with increase on the next stitch. And that's the pattern. We're going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Then for round 3 we are going to start with 2 single crochet. Continue with increase on the next stitch. And that's the pattern. We're going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. The pattern for round 4 and round 5 is the same. We're just going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Next we can insert the stuffing. And then for the last round we are going to make decrease. And to make a decrease we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. And also the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. And that is a decrease. And we're just going to make decrease for the whole round. Once you're done, you can cut the yarn. And we're going to close the hole at the bottom of the strawberry. We're going to grab our hook. And we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. Yarn over, then pull the yarn out. And we can just repeat the same step for the rest of the stitches. Then you just need to pull the yarn to close the hole. We're going to add the detail using white yarn. And now that we're done making all the parts, we are going to glue all of them. And we're going to start with the layer cake first. We are going to grab 2 of them. And we're going to glue the backside together. So the backside of the first piece will meet the backside of the other piece. So it will be something like this. And we're going to do the same thing for the other 2 pieces. So now we have 2 pieces of layer cake. Now we're going to glue the cream on top of the layer cake. Then we're gonna top it off with another layer cake. Then we're going to glue the other cream on top of the cake. And then the last step, we're going to glue the strawberry on the center of the cake. And that's it, we have the cake. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!